Welcome to the Chase Network, your ultimate destination for real-life pursuits, adrenaline-fueled chases, and the stories that keep you on the edge of your seat. From high-speed getaways to dramatic takedowns, we dive deep into the world of law enforcement and the risks they face to keep us safe. First, a Kentucky state trooper attempted to pull over a cafe-style motorcycle for traffic violations. Instead of stopping, driver sped off, igniting a high-speed pursuit that ended when troopers finally cornered him. Then, a dark-colored motorcycle caught officers' attention on Georgia 61 as it violated lane rules and sped past emergency lights. Stay tuned to witness the dramatic, heart-stopping conclusions of these high-octane pursuits. On August 27, 2024, during what was supposed to be a routine traffic stop, a Kentucky state trooper witnessed a cafe-style motorcycle blatantly disregard the law. Instead of stopping for minor motor vehicle violations, the rider turned his defiance into high-speed chaos, igniting a pursuit that raced through urban corridors and suburban streets alike. Every moment of this chase was a test of nerves and precision, as officers pushed their limits to intercept a suspect who seemed determined to outpace justice.
No traffic. Watch this school bus. That car's coming at you dead on here. Alright, just keep fast. No. Here. This one. Alright, go. Hammer down. Hour out of that, so you can flash out. Please go around this. Very light ground traffic. Just watch this game up. Alright, tuck it behind. Over the other line. Ready to get caught up.
It's going to be a sport bike. I don't have a color. White operator wearing shorts and gray t-shirt. All good.
Drive, he's about 100 light traffic. 421 Southbound passing Bethlehem Way, speeds about 100, light traffic.
Permission to box. Permission to box.
Lake County monitor. 190, go. It does enter the 45 zone, speed 75, light traffic, permission to continue. Reason for stopping is waiver speed and no visible registration. You just do the light, that 31E, continuing south on 245.
Hey, ask for, when we get out of the restricted zone, ask for permission to box.
The 8-hour passing south on Salem Drive, proceed south of 75, light traffic. We're approaching Springfield Road, blue the light, continuing south on 245. Alright, we're southbound near Brandon, approaching Brandon Drive, speed about 112, no traffic. Alright, going way down. About 60 miles an hour right now. Passing Farmag Avenue. Late County may be stopping here. He's signaling that he's slowing down. We're turning left onto, I believe it's 27 lane. He's taking back off. We're in a 35 mile an hour zone. We're on Spencer Mattingly Road. No traffic. Stay stopping it.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get off the bike! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Do not move!
Hey, listen, man.
Do not move! Lay on your stomach! Lay on your stomach! You're gonna get tased if you don't get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Do not fucking move!
Hey, I just want to get to my daughter, man.
Don't move! Stop!
Sorry, man. I just want to get to my daughter. It's all over with.
You're lucky you didn't fucking die.
I just want to get to my daughter, man.
How much you had to drink?
None. My daughter's dead, man. Oh, God damn. Hey, I got a bad shoulder.
Shut up! We're getting another cuff.
God damn.
Shut your mouth.
Well, quit my bad shoulder.
Quit fighting or it's gonna be a lot worse.
That's my bad shoulder, officer.
Quit.
You're
gonna get tased.
God damn it. That's my bad shoulder, officer.
Stay on your stomach. Stop moving. Stop moving.
Damn.
Go ahead. Boy 2 George 24.
Stop moving.
I got a bad shoulder, man.
Do what he's asking you to do.
I'm trying, sir. I got a bad shoulder.
I don't care about your shoulder. You shouldn't have run.
Man, I want to get to my daughter. She died,
Well,
man.
too bad. You should have thought about that shit before you took off. How much you had to drink?
None, sir. None.
Why's your eyes all glassy and bloodshot? How much did you smoke?
None.
How much meth you use?
I don't do drugs.
Yeah, I bet you don't. You smell like alcohol. What do you mean you don't drink?
I ain't drank nothing.
You'll quit acting like an idiot. We'll sit you up.
Please.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done. I just want to get to my daughter, man.
Well, you're not getting there tonight. Definitely not going now. Stay right there.
I just want to get to my daughter. She's in the hospital, man. That's all I want.
Well, I feel bad for your daughter, for how terrible of a person you are. What's your first name?
Rick Pilkington.
What?
Rick Pilkington.
Rick?
Yes, sir.
Town on the left. Where do you live at? 21-000.
I'm trying to get to Eastview to my little girl.
You don't care about her very much.
Yes, I do, man.
You know what you just did?
I'm afraid I'm not.
It's the wrong way to Eastview.
I don't know where I'm at, man. I'm trying to get there.
What's your middle initial?
D.
D?
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Pilkington.
Spell that.
Pilkington.
280.
Can I stand up? No.
We'll spend your birthday in jail. How about that?
391 190. Good traffic.
Run, motherfucker. You understand me? You're coming to the wrong fucking town.
That's 10-4. E-Town brakes were named that
What,
bird.
dumbass? You ain't gonna get there. My fucking God.
First name's Rick, common spelling, middle initial D. Last name should be Paul Ida.
In the end, the relentless pursuit forced the rider to yield as coordinated law enforcement tactics finally brought his wild flight to an abrupt stop. His arrest, loaded with charges ranging from speeding and assault to fleeing and reckless driving, underscored the stark reality that defying the law carries a heavy price. This dramatic encounter stands as a powerful reminder. No matter how fast you run, justice will always catch up. On August 28, 2022, along Georgia 61 near Villa Forest Drive, a dark-colored motorcycle caught the attention of patrolling officers with its reckless maneuvers and disregard for safety. The suspect launched into a high-speed chase that twisted through busy intersections and along crowded highways. With every daring lane change and aggressive acceleration, the pursuit escalated into a heart-stopping battle between a defiant rider and determined law enforcement.
Approaching Villa Forest Drive, dark colored motorcycle, white shirt, black helmet, white shirt, black helmet, no 28 display. It's gonna be a white male, also blue jeans on with black shoes.
Getting on the interstate. Get right, get right.
1050, just about. 1050, 1050, 1050. Hands! Get on your face! Get on your face! Get on your face! Don't move. Yes, sir. That was smart, wasn't it? 1095, Bill Ricky, 1095. $10.95, Bill Ricky, start 51. You like, yeah. You ain't listening to me and got a gun on you? That's a good way to die, brother.
I was listening, sir.
You sat there laying and me want to get on your face when I told you to.
Yeah, 1039. Stand by, 34. Hi, man. My name is Trooper Smith. Okay? I work for the State Patrol. Okay. Yes, sir. First reason for the stop.
Not speeding. I already know.
Yeah, you were speeding. You was in and out of traffic. And I know you see me. You came up. When I came up behind you, you looked at my lights and you just shook your head at me.
I mean, yeah.
Okay, cool.
I mean, I already knew.
Let me double up real quick. All right, sit over here, man. Where you trying to see you real quick?
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
19 years
19?
old.
19?
Yes, sir. Fuck.
Oh, listen to me, okay? This is Miranda warning. You got the right to remain silent.
Yes, sir.
Anything you say, it will be used against you in a court of law. You got the right to talk to a lawyer. And I'm in prison while you're being questioned. If you cannot hire a lawyer, I will be appointed to represent you for a question, if you wish.
Yes,
You
sir.
can decide at any time to exercise these rights. Now, answer any of my questions. Take a seat, buddy. Take a seat. Do you understand each of these rights I explained to you?
Yes, sir.
You have these rights in mind. Do you wish to talk to me now?
I can talk to you.
Yeah. Do you wish to talk to me now?
I mean, I would like to ask you if I can call my mom, tell her I'm finna go to jail.
All right. Give me a second. I gotta read something else to you.
Yes, sir.
You say you're 19?
Yes, sir.
It's an implied consent notice for suspects under the age of 21. The state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege out upon the highway to state upon your submission to the state of mental chemical test of your blood, breath, urine, and other body substance for the purpose of determining if you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you refuse this testing, your Georgia driver's license privilege out on the highway to state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. Your refusal to submit this blood urine test may offer evidence against you at trial. If you submit to this testing, the result indicating alcohol concentration of 0.02 grams or more, your Georgia driver's license privilege out on the highway to state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. After first submit to the request state test your type of this chemical test your blood, breath, urine, and other body substance, only spent for a qualified person you will choose. Before you submit to the state of mental chemical test of your blood.
What does that mean?
I just read it to you.
I mean, like what, drug test or like if I'm
gonna read it to you. Look at me.
Alright.
Let's read it together. Take a seat.
This handcuffs, they hurt my hand, man. A little tight.
Okay.
A little tight.
Take a seat.
Alright, I'm taking
Let's read this together. There's implied consent for suspects under age 21. You're 19, as you said.
Yes, sir.
The state of Georgia has conditioned your privileged jobs upon the highway to state upon your submission to the state and mental chemical test your blood, breath, and urine, or other body substance for the purpose of determining if you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you refuse this testing, your Georgia driver's license privilege out on the highway to state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. Your refusal to submit to this blood urine testing may be offered the evidence against you at trial. If you submit to this testing and the result indicating alcohol concentration of 0.02 grams or more, your Georgia driver's license privilege out on the highway to state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. After first submit to the request state test your type of district chemical test your blood, breath, urine, and other body substance, which only spent for a qualified person of your choosing. Will you submit to the state and mental chemical test of your blood?
Yes.
All right. What you running for?
I got no license, man.
Don't got no license?
I got no license
had
tag. I got a car license. I ain't got no motorcycle license. I ain't got no tag or insurance, you know.
Okay, cool. Put the turn on real quick. Search real quick.
If I call my girl and tell
You got where your phone go?
it's in my pocket. I want to call them. That way
I call
them.
them.
You can call them?
Yeah.
All right.
What's that?
Let's catch that car.
Catch it. Yeah, man, don't run from the police. Not a good idea, especially on a motorcycle. You gonna try to gas in the grass?
I mean, I seen you came over. I wasn't trying to get hit, you know.
I was gonna hit you, no goodness. No, I'm gonna hit you, man.
Right here.
Good, just a stretch.
But it's alright if I call my girl and
I'm calling, man.
Damn. They're gonna be in here for a minute.
Come on, man.
Can I see my phone?
I got it, man. I got it.
I can call them.
Yeah, hold on. Let me a second, man.
All right.
You know, that's my choice if I let you call. Give me a second. Just stand right there. Right in front of the police. I'm gonna loosen them up a little bit. I'm gonna tell you right now, I want you to listen to me. I want you to listen to me well. You understand me? All right. Once you sit in my car, do not bother anything in my car. Do you understand me?
I got you.
All right. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna loosen up just a hair for you, all right? Take your hands out a little bit.
Hellcat.
Huh?
The Hellcat.
Why you say that? I kept up with you?
Fast. Oh my God.
You need me to call a paramedic out and check you out? I can.
Can?
I can.
You can?
Yeah.
Yeah, call me. My side's all the way close.
Okay. Take a seat. Hold on.
I can sit up front?
Yeah, man. That's why I said don't try nothing crazy, man. Do not try nothing crazy. Do you understand me?
Yeah, I ain't gonna try nothing crazy, man. Y'all got me. Once you got me, you got me.
Sit on it.
You right?
Yeah.
Get my phone.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that in a sec. I gotta get my. Turn the other way. No. Here, that way. Yeah. Yeah, sit like that because I don't want to hurt your back. All right. 962, go record. I gotta get all the paperwork started on this first.
All right.
And I gotta get you a medic.
All right.
960. 960.
Go ahead.
Go ahead and start your legs list. Also start 252. Claim inside. I gotta get all your information. Let me get all this stuff ready. And once we get all this stuff ready, we'll be on our way, okay?
The chase reached its climax when a decisive tactical maneuver forced the fleeing motorcycle into an uncontrolled crash, halting its dangerous flight. With the suspect apprehended and a cache of illicit evidence uncovered, from narcotics to a concealed firearm, the case took on a deeper, more troubling significance. This dramatic pursuit not only showcased the extraordinary skills of our officers, but also served as a stark warning. Defiance of the law can only end one way. Thank you for watching this thrilling episode of Motor Madness, the Chase Edition. If you enjoyed these intense and action-packed pursuits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated on all the latest chases. Remember, safety always comes first. Follow traffic rules and do your part to keep the roads safe. Show respect to the brave men and women in law enforcement who work tirelessly to protect us all. See you next time for more high-speed action.